Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your YouTube TV password. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. The first thing that you need to understand is that you sign in to your YouTube TV with your Google account. So it is very obvious that your YouTube password is the same as your Google account password. So the email that you have used in order to create your account on YouTube TV, whichever password is there of that email, that is basically your password of YouTube TV. Now if you want to just view your password, you just have to simply come on your Google account, and here you will see the option of security. In security, you just have to simply scroll down and click on this password option. Now after clicking on it, it will show you your current password where you can just view your password, or if you want to change it, you can do that as well. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.